Bonjour, hello, je m'appelle Sandy et je suis votre professeur. I am Sandy and I am your teacher. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre l'alphabet en français et les accents. We will learn the French alphabet and the French accent. C'est parti! A, B, B non, B, C, si non, C, D, D non, D, E, I non, E, F, G. So, attention, G in French, it's not J, like J, non, or G, non, c'est G, it's soft. G, it's between Asia and age. G, très bien, G, H, I, so I, non, I, J. The J, it's same, very soft. J. J, non. J. K, L, M, N, O, P, P, non, P, Q. Attention, the French Q, it's not Q, it's not QI, it's Q. So how to do that? You will say E, E or T, English T, and you will hold the vowel. You hold the vowel and you change your mouth like a kiss. Bisou. So, T, I, Q. 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 So it's a little difficult. So you have to train a little and it will come little by little. Don't worry if you cannot do it right now. Donc, Q, R. R. Alors, le R français, the French R, is a little different. You have two ways to train. The first way is you put a pencil, un stylo, in your mouth, like this, and you will say R. R. You bite, R. And you have to feel here the vibration. R. There is another way to train. If you think this one is not really for you, you can gargle. So you imagine you gargle. Gargling. R. Feel here the vibration. R. It's at the back of your tongue. Here. R. S. S. T. So T non. T. U. Alors, U et Q are a little similar, the sound. So it's the same process. You will say E, E, and you will hold the vowel E, but you will move your mouth to make a kiss. So E, E. If it's difficult to do the U, you can also do a little high voice. Your voice go high, up. E, E. Voilà, très bien. So, U, you will need some time to do the U, so don't worry. U, V, W, 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 X, Y. Ah, this one is difficile, hein? Difficult. Y. Très bien. Et Z. Z. So here too, you don't say Z, you say Z. Z. Your tongue is a little up and Z. Okay, let's repeat again. Répétons maintenant, vous répétez. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, U, bisous, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Très bien. Regardez, écoutez. B, C, D, G, P, T, V, W. If you compare with English, English is B, C, D. En français, c'est E. I, non. E. B, C, D, G, P, T, V, W. Donc, attention, I, non. E. Oui. Voilà. Encore le U. So, you can do T, English T. T. Hold E. T. And slowly kiss. Bisous. T. 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 Visualize when you have it. Visualize it. Keep the same the same style as your mouth and try one time. U. Très bien. R. So you do like that with a pencil. Your tongue stay under the pencil, okay? And we go a little back. So under and back and R. R. Or you can do the gargle side. When you brush your teeth. R. Feel the vibration. R. Voilà. And GJ is in between Asia and age. D'accord? Donc, G, J. Attention, hein? Don't be confused. J, non. G. J. Not J. J. Très bien. Nous allons épeler. Let's spell. So, I will leave you 1 second, une seconde, and you will try to spell, and I will give you the answer. Okay? Okay. Deux, un. S, A, N, D, Y. Sandy. C'est moi. S, A, N, D, Y. Let's try another one. Un autre. Haha. 2, 1. OK. B, O, N, J. Non. J, O, U, U, R. Bonjour. Qu'est-ce que c'est bonjour? Hello, bonjour. Et puis 3, 2, 1. I give you the answer. O, U, I. Oui. Oui, 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 oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est oui? Yes. Now we will see les accents. French accent. Alors, regardez, écoutez. Et c'est l'accent aigu. The acute accent. C'est l'accent grave. The grave accent. Donc, accent aigu et accent grave. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est l'accent circonflexe. Circonflexe. Oh là là, c'est difficile, difficult. The circumflex accent. C'est fini? Non, non, non. No, it's not finished. Quoi? What? Quoi? C'est pas fini. Tada! C'est l'accent tréma. L'accent tréma. The tréma accent. Oh, there are a lot of accents, right? But it's not finished. Fighting. Courage. Alors, first, Regardez my mouth. My mouth is like that. Hop. But regardez. Is it another sound? Different sound? All of them have the same sound. Pourquoi? I will explain during the class. But you can say So the mouth is a little more open. Not too much, and not no, a little. So, regardez, écoutez. Ça va? Okay, let's try a little prononcer. Prononcer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Maybe you can guess. Prononcer, pronounce. Pronounce. Très bien. Alors, I will give you 1 second. You try to pronounce and I give you the answer. Été. Alors, été, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est summer. Être. Être, qu'est-ce que c'est? To be. Café. Café, qu'est-ce que c'est? Coffee. Père. Père, qu'est-ce que c'est? Father. And the last one, le dernier. Noël. Noël. Noël, c'est Christmas. Encore, été, être, café, père, Noël. Alors, you think it's finished? No. French have a lot of accent. Beaucoup d'accent. So, écoutez and find the difference. Cherchez la différence. A, A. A, A. A, 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 A. U, 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 U. Is there a difference? Il y a une différence? Non. Il n'y a pas de différence. Tada! Pourquoi? I will explain during the class, but there is no difference here. But we use them in some words, so you have to learn them. C'est fini? Non. Il y a aussi donc le E tréma et I tréma. Is there a difference between E et E tréma, I et I tréma? No. But we use both of them to separate two vowels when they are next to each other and we want to keep the same sound. For example, pour le E, here we will say Noël. Noël. And not Noël. Here, it would be Noël or Noël, something like this. Ici, c'est Noël. And you have also this one. Can you try? Maïs. Maïs. But if you don't use le tréma, it becomes mais. A-I is mais. Eh. So, maïs or mais. So, that's why we use le tréma. But it's not finished. Yes, je sais. Désolé. Pardon. We have... Qu'est-ce que c'est? La cédille. La cédille. La cédille. Très bien. Mais qu'est-ce que c'est la cédille? La cédille change le son d'un mot en se. I will explain. Hop. Si il n'y a pas de cédille, no cédille, you will say ko. Ka. Ku. Avec la cédille, c'est so. So. C'est ça. Très bien. C'est su. Très bien. OK? Alors, why French use la cédille? Pourquoi? It's an historic fact, so I will not explain here, but I want just to tell you that it's come from Spain. Actually, Spain long ago used la cédille. We stole them, la cédille. Now Spain don't use, but we still use it. Because we like complicate things. So maybe, donc, ka, ku, ko, sa, su, so. Ça, su, so. Ou ça, so, ça, su. Let's do un exercice. Des exercices. You will try to prononcer. D'accord? Prononcer. I will help you. Garcon? Garcon? Non. Garçon. Garçon. Oh, you know this one. Français. Français. Ça va. Ça va. Qu'est-ce que c'est garçon? C'est boy. Français? You know. I hope you know. French. Ça va? Are you okay? Are you fine? Ça va? We will see in the next video. So, c'est fini. Merci. Et in the next video, we will see other things. For example, the French, the classroom expression, and other surprise. D'autres surprises. Donc, merci beaucoup. Study well et à bientôt. Au revoir.